Welcome back. In previous video, we made this menu page. So one thing is remaining for this project is that to do prototyping. So, so I already showed you how to do prototyping. So you can pause the video and do on your own. Or if you don't know how to do it, so you can continue the video. So I assume you done that part. So let's do the prototyping for this project. Let's go to prototype panel. And you can see this white dot, and when I hover over it, it becomes a plus icon. Click on it and drag it on the sign in page, so you can see this menu will be pop up. So this is the interaction detail panel. So you can see we have options like on tab. So currently let's set it on tab and navigate to sign in page. So we are navigating from brand page to sign in page, so it is okay. So if you want, you can add animation in it. So currently let's go with instant, and I think that's it. Now click on the sign in page. So you can see we have options like login and sign up. Let's say user is installed this app for first time, so he want to go to the sign up page, so he can click on the sign up button. So let's give it interaction. So you can see in the interaction details on tab, navigate to sign up page, and the animation is instant. Let's say user is like have already account and accidentally he touch on sign up button, so he want to go back on the login page or sign in page, so he can go back by using this login button. So let's give a interaction and navigate to sign in page. All the things will be same for it, so we don't have to change anything over here. Then let's say user put his email ID and the password, and he want to go to the menu page. So let's give the interaction to this button. Okay, from login page he will go on the menu page, and also the same with this sign up button. From sign up he will go on the menu page after putting all the details like username, email ID, password, and confirm password. I think we done here. When I click on this blank space, we will get these options. So from here, if you want to change the device, you can change it from here. So currently I am choosing this iPhone 11 Pro Max, so select this one. And if you want to change the model, you can do it from here. Currently it is gold. You can like choose silver, space gray, midnight green, like this, and it will show the preview. And if you want to change the background color of it, you can do it from here. So currently it is black. You can like give it any color you want, like this. So let's go with white. So it doesn't matter, you can choose any color. So you can see here we have horizontal and vertical orientation. If you want to change it into horizontal, you can change it like this, or portrait. So let's go with the portrait, and let's click on this present button. You can see our app is presenting, and the present icon over here on the top bar. Okay, you can see the first brand name page. If I click on this, we will get on the sign in page. After that, if I click on this blank space, you can see we get two hotkeys. Those are like a sign up page and login page. Let's say I am a new user and I want to sign up, so I'm gonna tap this sign up button, and I can put my details like username, password, and confirm password, and after that I can sign up. So I can also back on the login page if I want, like this, and let's click on the login. So we are on menu page, so I can order this burger from here. If you want, you can like add animation to these pages. If we click on this sign up, you want to give animation like a move in or move out or push, so we can do it from here. Let's choose move in, and you will see the little interaction over here. And you can also change the time over here. Currently it is 300 milliseconds, and the animation is in is out format. Okay, let's present this one. You can press R to restart this application from the beginning. So I'm going to press R on the keyboard. So you can see our brand name page. Okay, so let's click on the sign up. You can see that move in effect over here. Let me show you one cool thing. So let's go to brand name page. Click on this arrow, prototype arrow, And currently we are on tab, so let's give a smart animation over here, and let's leave up to like 300 milliseconds. And we can change it like give interaction like on tab or on drag while hovering and all that. Let's choose like a while hovering or a mouse enter, and let's present this. Let's press R to restart, and if I like hover my mouse over this app, you can see that animation. Let me do it again. You can see that animation. So let's change a little bit like on tap, and let's increase the time up to like 500 milliseconds, and let's present it again. Hit R to restart, and on tap you can see the animation become a little bit slow like this. So because of this smart animation we get that cool effect. So I will like set it over like while hovering, and let's make it up to like 300. I think 300 looks very cool. And let's go to present page, press R. When I like enter my mouse on the list brand page, you can see the interaction, the brand name goes on the top, and if I leave this app, you can see this again comes to the brand name page, and I can do interaction over here like sign up. Okay, that you can see that move in effect, and you can go to the sign up page. If you want, you can add the animation to this menu page. Let's add some animation on the menu page. So click the sign up page, select this arrow, and let's say animation. So let's try this dissolve. Okay, and let's present this one. Let's hit R. Login. Okay, sorry. Hit R, sign up page, and from sign up page we give that effect. Okay, it looks really cool. It is filled in, I think it is filled in effect. Let's give that animation to the login button also. Okay, let's hit R, and login page. You can see that dissolve effect. If you want, you can also use other animations like smart animation. So let's choose a smart animation, and let's present this screen. Hit R, login. You can see that cool animation over here, smart animation. That looks cool. So you can like set any animation you want. So it depends on you, and it is also depends on your project. So this is where we complete our project one. Let's say if you are struggling with this project, you have to watch a video again and again to do this project. So if you made this project, we can share this project on the Instagram or Twitter, and you can also tag me over there. So in the next project, we are gonna make a movie website, or you can say like a streaming service application like Netflix, Amazon Prime. So that's me signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.